Hello students, welcome to the computer class. Let's start with computer class. Today we will learn lesson number 3, start up and shut down the computer. In previous lecture we will learn about how to switch on and switch off the computer. Now we will learn about how to take care of our computer. Do's and don'ts of computers. Hello Jeannie, do you know that there are some rules we should keep in mind while using a computer? Yes, Kliko. Let's find out about these rules. We should keep them in mind while using the computer. Computer is a very useful machine. It works on electricity and very sensitive too. It should be handled with care so that it can keep working without problem. To use computer in the right way, we must follow some rules. Let's understand the do's and don'ts of using a computer. Right things to do. Do's. Do's are things we should do when we use the computer. Sit down. Wait for the teacher's direction. We should always use the computer with the permission of our parents or our teacher. We should always take help from the teacher when we need it. Sit properly in front of your computer. Maintain a correct posture of sitting. We should always sit straight in front of the computer. Keep your hands clean and dry when using the computer. Make sure that your hands are dry and clean before you touch the computer. We should press the keys of the keyboard gently. Don't press them too hard or it will damage the keys. Clean your computer with a soft, dry cloth. Remove your shoes outside the computer room. Take off your shoes before entering the computer room. Make a queue while going to the computer lab. Come to the computer lab in a proper queue. Walk in a queue silently. Keep a safe distance from the monitor to protect your eyes. Maintain a distance of 2 feet between your eyes and the monitor. Share the computer with your friends. Everybody should get an equal chance to learn and play. Share computers with your friends. Inform your teacher or an elder if you find that a wire has come out. Turn off the monitor if you aren't going to use your computer for the next 20 minutes. It saves energy. Always keep computer room neat and clean. Always keep mouse on mousepad. We should always keep quiet in the computer lab. Blink your eyes often in between if you are working for long hours. We should always shut down the computer properly when we are done with our work. We should put dust covers on the computer system after shutting it down. The wrong things to do. Don'ts. Don't are the things we should not do when we use the computer. Do not take food or drinks into the lab. We should not eat or drink near a computer while working on it. We should not touch the mouse and the keyboard with dirty hands. This makes the mouse and the keyboard keys dirty and sticky. Do not play, run, or fight inside the lab. Do not hit the keys on the keyboard too hard. Do not press the keys of the keyboard very hard. It will damage the keys. Do not make noise and disturb others in the lab. Do not shake the table on which the computer is kept. Never touch the cable or main plug attached to the computer when the computer is on. Do not switch off the main switch directly to shut down your computer. Never pull out cables and wires from a computer. Don't insert anything like fingers, a pencil, an eraser, or any such things into the computer. We should never break computer rules and never let our friends break the computer rules also. Now we will learn hard word of this lesson. Computer lab. Computer lab. It is a room in the school where a number of computers are kept for the learners to use. Now we will take a recall of this lesson. In this lesson, we will learn how to switch off and switch on the computer. There are some steps to switch on and switch off the computer. Switch on the computer. First, switch on the power button. Then, switch on the UPS and CPU. After that, switch on the monitor. Then, wait for the desktop to appear on the screen. How to shut down the computer? First, click on Start or the Windows sign on the screen of the computer. A panel will appear on the screen. Then, click on the Shutdown option in the panel. The computer will take a few minutes to turn off automatically. Wait for the screen to turn black. Then, switch off the monitor and UPS. The CPU gets automatically turned off after the shutdown option is clicked. Then switch off the main power socket switch. There are some do's and don'ts of the computer. Right things to do. Sit down. Wait for the teacher's direction. Sit properly in front of your computer. Keep your hands clean and dry when using the computer. Clean your computer with a soft, dry cloth. Remove your shoes outside the computer room. Make a queue while going to the computer lab. Keep a safe distance from the monitor to protect your eyes. Share the computer with your friends. The wrong things to do. Do not take food or drinks into the lab. Do not play, run, or fight inside the lab. Do not hit the keys on the keyboard too hard. Do not make noise and disturb others in the lab. Hope you all are enjoying this video. Thank you.